What's going on, BitSquad? Hope you had a great week. We are Meta Money, and we are back with a little bit more information for you on the importance of stacking your portfolio in the bear market.
Yeah, there's really only a few options when things get tough, because if you think the market's going to go down, you got to choose wisely. So today we're coming at you with two picks that we think are really, really solid. Justin, what's your number one pick?
My number one pick right now is really anything coming out of Yuga Labs. They do a fantastic job of under-promising and over-delivering, and I think that's going to continue on. Now, am I looking at ApeCoin? Absolutely. I got price targets right around the $3 range. That's really what I'm going to DCA in down for that. Now you look at like other Ds, man. I'm waiting until these things hit a little bit closer to 1 ETH floor, and then I'm going to snap it as much as I can, and I do want another mutant. I think that, to me, the resistance level is going to be about 6 ETH, so I'm waiting until we get a little bit closer there, and then I'm getting myself a mutant, baby.
Okay, so even though we're in a bear market, are you still buying right now a little bit, or are you trying to wait till it goes down further?
I'm buying small amounts of things that I do believe in, but in order to make bigger purchases, I am waiting till we see a little bit more of that Max Payne situation that I think probably the next month or so we're going to start to see.
Yeah, if the traditional markets continue to go down, we definitely know that's going to carry over heavy into Web3 and the metaverse, which we love.
Absolutely.
And
all right, so what's your pick for this?
guys, it's Gala. I'm wearing the shirt. Listen, this is all my family asked me, what should I buy? What should I buy right now? Well, the only thing I can ever give, my opinion on is Gala, because I think it's bottomed out. We're not seeing it affected so much. Like even today, when the market has dropped over the past couple days after the ETH merge, not a huge drastic change in price. So I think we may have found a bottom here, and I feel really comfortable starting to add even now. Even though if it could go down a little bit more, I'm still going to constantly DCA, because it's really hard to time the bottom in these types of markets.
Absolutely. I mean, you have to think like it's sitting like in the 4 to 5 centish range, right?
Yes.
Even if it does drop down to 3 cents, percent wise, that's a drop.
It's
but
huge,
cent wise, it's not that big. So like you can stomach that, knowing that because you're bringing in fresh fiat, you look at it at a fiat level, right?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, that's definitely one of the things. But also, not only am I just looking at it from a technical analysis or a good time to buy, they also are dropping like new games this year. At the end of the year, there's going to be a lot more utility. Up to this date, there hasn't been a lot of utility for Gala, but that's only growing as time goes on. And I just love the team. I've met a lot of them personally, so I know they're going to crush it.
Absolutely. And you guys are doing, you're doing play tests for them. You just
Yes.
recently did one. I'm sure there'll be more in the future. Guys, if you do like content like that, Metaverse, Web3, all that has to offer, make sure you hop on over to the Meta Money channel, subscribe there, and come join the journey with us.
Yeah, every day we talk about every single Web3 story on our news at 1:30 Eastern time.
Yep.
We have so much fun. We take shots on the stream, do a bunch of weird stuff. The community is so great, man. We love every single person that hangs out with us every day.
Absolutely. All right, guys. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's episode. Again, make sure you head on over to the Meta Money channel if you like more what we got to offer for Web3. Have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you next week for some more Meta Money on Saturday morning.